Hi, my name is Emily, and this is the Cozy Cuddler from Best Friends by Sheri. The Cozy Cuddler is a donut-shaped bed with the added feature of a blanket-like hood. Its circular shape accommodates pets that like to curl in bed. And its cozy hood provides not only more warmth, but also a greater sense of security. This feature makes the Cozy Cuddler ideal for cats and dogs who prefer to hide under blankets or furniture. Cushioned walls provide an ideal headrest, and deep crevices provide extra space for burrowing. The Mason Cozy Cuddler features a fashionable corduroy exterior, and its interior is lined with ultra-soft and luxurious faux fur, which aids in deeper sleep. The bottom is made with tough nylon fabric that resists both dirt and water, and fashionably matches the color theme of the bed. The Cozy Cuddler is conveniently safe to machine wash and dry and is suitable for pets up to 20 pounds. What are you waiting for? Give your pet the cozy rest they deserve with the Cozy Cuddler.
Pets. You love them. So you buy them a delightfully squishy memory foam bed. A comfy place to unwind at the end of the day. And you know they love it. It's so comfortable. They all come running. Even the ones who maybe shouldn't be in the house. We all know how messy some pets can be. Thank goodness for waterproof lining. A super cozy, removable, washable cover. And a non-slip bottom. So everyone can enjoy. Our beds also fit into any standard size crate for any standard or not so standard size animal. With a variety of colors and sizes, Brindle beds can be changed to match any decor. Plus, Brindle donates a pet bed every day. Now that's a positive impact. For all your pets, Brindle's the perfect choice. Brindle, the opposite of roughing it.
The Shag Donut Cuddler is a donut-shaped bed with the added feature of extra long, luxurious faux fur. Its circular shape accommodates pets that like to curl in bed, and its long fur offers both an elevated style as well as a cozy space for deep rest. Its cushioned walls provide an ideal headrest, and deep crevices provide extra space for burrowing. The bottom is made with a tough nylon fabric that resists both dirt and water and fashionably matches the color theme of the bed. The Shag Donut Cuddler is conveniently safe to machine wash and dry.
This is sweet! The architecture here is just like a lab. Do you think it'll stay put if we jump off of it? Mama's gonna like that this bed is fur resistant. Those idiots sleep in the other room and give me this? Score!
So, this is what retirement feels like.
Hey, has anyone seen Craft Services?
Introducing the Ultimate Dog Bed from PetFusion. The Ultimate Dog Bed and Lounge in solid memory foam comes in 4 sizes: small, large, extra large, and jumbo, with your choice of slate gray or brown color. The solid memory foam base offers superior overall comfort, reduced joint pain, and improved health, mobility, and energy. For an even softer night's sleep, try our new plush sleeping surface. Made from 65% polyester and 35% cotton twill, your dog is sure to have a good night's sleep on this durable and comfortable bed. PetFusion's recycled green polyfill support bolsters are generously filled. These bolsters, combined with a solid base, provide a smart design, offering optimal support and comfort. The Ultimate Dog Bed comes equipped with a non-skid bottom and a water and tear-resistant cover, so your canine companion can enjoy their bed for many years to come. The waterproof inner liner adds an additional line of defense against accidents to protect the solid memory foam base and give you peace of mind. With you and your dog in mind, PetFusion has created a removable cover that is machine washable. Simple to spot clean and remove hair, your dog bed will always be a breeze to clean. Dedicated to modern designs in all our products, PetFusion's Ultimate Dog Bed will blend in seamlessly with your home decor. Pamper your dog today with PetFusion's Ultimate Dog Bed, a comfortable bed that is easy to clean, cushioned with memory foam to protect joints, and has an attractive range of covers to match any decor. With a range of options, it fits dogs of all sizes. Improve the everyday comfort for your dog with the Ultimate Dog Bed, because they're worth it.
Georgie here. I'm not really a cuddler or a sprawler. I actually do both. That's why I love my couch bed. I've got pillow-like walls and one open side. This way, I can snuggle in or stretch out. The Serta couch bed isn't just stylish, it's durable and supportive too. The Serta couch bed is so comfortable and versatile. I recommend them to all my therapy dog friends.